Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, back at it again with another video, and today we are once again working on the wide body project, which is molding the wide body to the car. Zani boy never came through yesterday, so we're gonna have to go over there and see if we can grab his Dremel from him, because I thought he was coming over here. But before we do anything at all, I think I just got a package. It was left in the garage, but I'm not sure where. Hello? I'm just, where is it? Oh, it's right here. Alright, I think this... So, I'm not exactly sure what this is because I have not had any notifications on my phone, email, nothing. So, it could very well be a bomb. Hopefully, I mean, it's UPS ground. Let's see, what is it? Let's check it. Let's just check it out. I want to say... I think this is Home Depot. I want to say this is Home Depot. And that this is my tool set, but that wasn't supposed to deliver until like next week sometime, so I'm not sure why it's here 7 days early, but let's check it out. And yeah, it actually is just the toolkit, which is awesome because I've very well been needing one. Yeah, so I got this thing on sale. It was only I think it was $99 on sale, shipped, and free shipping, of course. But it's pretty awesome. 230 piece mechanics like tool set. It's got 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, so that is so good. And I think we've got everything we need to work on this thing at any time, and that's gonna live in my trunk actually, so we're gonna create a nice little setup for it in the back. Because we're taking off the bags, we're gonna have a lot more room in the trunk now, and so we can create a nice storage area back there for everything we need. And I have to take out my spare tire because it's not gonna do us any good by the time we start working on that stuff. So yeah, also I think this bag is leaking because I straight aired out over 2 days. It took 2 days though, so maybe we can figure out what's going on there. My coils should be in on Monday, so that'll be super, super sick. Actually, I think it got pushed to Tuesday, so that's kind of bad, but we'll see what's up. I did a little bit more bundle glass work here. This is starting to take nice shape. I just need to cut, and Zani boy hit me up, said we can go over there and grab his Dremel real quick, so we're going to borrow that for like 10 minutes, just cut that, and then bring it back to him. I've also started on this rear side. It's looking a lot smoother, and then of course in here we're gonna have to fix up a little bit of this, but it should be pretty primo after that. It'll look really good, hopefully. So yeah, it's really taking shape now. Super smooth. That transition, you can't even tell honestly at this point, so that's pretty cool. We're making progress. We have made it to Zani boys. Woo! There's the sieve. Here's a Subaru, and there's another Subaru. A lot of Subarus. Huh. Interesting. Yo, it's Zani boy. What's good?
If anybody wants to buy a Subaru, got a new engine.
Nice.
This is the Dremel right here.
Dang, you got quite the workspace in here.
Yeah, we're getting stuff done. Picked up the Outback over in eBird, about $400, and then
Really?
yeah, this is it.
Hold
yeah.
on. Yo, we are out here right now at Quality Muffler and Brake, waiting on Eric right now. I guess he's doing some exhaust work today, I didn't even know, but he just dropped off his car, they're working on it, so I came to pick him up while he doesn't have a car. So, yeah, let's see. Look at the Optima poking out over there. I have successfully secured the Eric. Alright, so we're back now. I got the Dremel, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this real quick so that we can kind of fuse the rest of the edge here down, and then hopefully this cut goes well. We'll see what happens, but not particularly great at cutting straight, so we'll smoothen out any inconsistencies, and then it should be okay. We'll be okay. Alright, we'll see what happens. You make me sound miserable. gonna go pick up Eric's car because it got done early. The Dremel thing, that whole process, primo, looks pretty good. So yeah, let's go hear this new exhaust. Woo! Can't wait. Sorry. We have made it here to the muffler shop, quality muffler and brake here, and the Optima is right next to us. So I'm gonna be driving it for him so he can hear how it sounds. Also, you guys can't see hardly, too white, but there it is. There she is. Oof. I think Eric's getting new wheels soon. Yeah. Ooh. I don't think I've driven this car on camera before, and I think I've only ever driven it one time besides that, so heck yeah. I've also never driven like a decently fast car before, so this will be interesting. Ooh.
Hey, you want to take my picture? Is that...
Oh, sure. Alrighty, let's hear it. Ooh.
It does.
What do you think? Like it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. So we have mixed feelings about it. It's a little dronier than before.
The camera's gonna have a real easy time of picking it up.
Yeah, so you'll be able to hear that. It's way dronier than before, but it doesn't scream at you like a Banshee anymore. So those are the two trade-offs, I guess.
Yeah, it's
like a balance of both might have been more ideal, but given the pipes that we had and everything, yeah, and circumstance, like I can't really ask for anything more. It's pretty solid. Little, yeah. Especially with the windows down, they sound really gnarly, and like I don't know. Like I like it, but then also it could be annoying while driving on the freeway.
Right, it could be too much. We're gonna find out.
We're about to find out. We're about to hit on the I-5 real quick, take a couple pulls and see if it's anything too much to worry about. Should be okay though.
Should be all right.
But yeah, let's get on out there. Goddamn. Damn, you can feel that in your fucking chest. Holy shit. Yeah. Alright guys, we're back at the house. We're gonna go ahead and do a little more sanding and stuff, and then yeah, we'll be good to go. Car sounding good, looking good.
Interior noise is a little bit undesirable, but overall it's good.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, well let's get back to working, cracking. Yo, just got back from Lowe's. I have a little selection of cans of paint here with me, including some primer, some black, and then the clear, of course. Just to tie things off for now, because I'm gonna get everything painted properly once the whole car is done, but that means including the rear fenders, which haven't been even touched yet, and they're not gonna be touched this time around. So we're just gonna go ahead and primer and see how level everything is. It's looking pretty good so far, but I just want to double check. Primer, check for low spots, and then use spot putty to fill everything else in, and then we can go ahead and lay down the paint and just make sure it's dry. Yeah, let's do this. I have primered it, and I've actually found a little issue. There's a little bit of a fiberglass crack here. You can't really see it, but I do have to fix that because it will kind of tarnish the structural integrity of the piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand that down a little bit and get some fiberglass like wrapped around it just so it reinforces it. I've got some fiberglass here. Got the cloth, I have resin right there. Gonna mix it in here, and then we'll be good to go and start patching little holes. Alrighty guys, so I have a piece of fiberglass mat cut out. So this should go right about here. It's gonna wrap under and then hopefully kind of seal there. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm not quite sure. Alright, little update for you guys. So I've got some fiberglass sticking off of here. I have a plan with this, so don't worry about this at all. That's gonna resolve itself soon. Then I've got a little bit more Bondo on here to finish off. And while we're waiting for all of that to dry so we can sand it, let's go ahead and move out here and start dismantling everything on the bumper so we can get that all scuffed and proper, ready for some primer and paint. Taken out all 4 canards. I've also taken out both fog lights. I think I'm going to replace these with the ones that actually fit in this bumper, because that's not the right one. These are too big. So I could replace these. I'm not really a fan of trying to sand down and try to fit that into there. So I think what's going to end up happening is I'm just going to pick up a new set of fog lights for this bumper, and then it'll look much cleaner. But right now I think I'm also going to go ahead and start scuffing this bumper and get it prepped for paint.